Lanar C USA kalau le ta a voina chuan Charlie Kirk birthday puala he presidential medal of freedom lomman president in sang ber apek lom nana A Nupui Erika-i Thusawi hi tlemin anre ka dua seideu hleka maro chu aram chan lai kha kan la anga part 1 part 2 in kan kalang o.
Thank you for making this event a priority amid the peace process in the Middle East. Thank you.
President na hian lom thu ka soitak meu achan chu tunang laya a Middle East a hian remna le mon na om theina tura boi pui tur tam takane ilai karin he ka pasal birthday hi chin chetlak taka pui thu taka min sem sakawangin achunga kalom takzet.
Very grateful.
Charlie min ngai dam ro.
Charlie always admired your commitment to freedom, and that's something that both of you shared.
In pania in entril tin he freedom chungchang hi kapasal khan angai hlu takzet thinani.
Thank you. Your support of our family and the work that Charlie devoted his life to will be something I cherish forever, so thank you.
Kan sung kwa le kan tana in pek na le min ti sak zong hi katan thenghil to ngai lo tur chil lom om takani.
To our gracious First Lady in her office for making this event possible, thank you as well. It's beautiful.
A Nupui Donald Trump Nupui ne na hetenga program min sem sakhi chunga khalom takzete.
To Vice President and the lovely Usha fans. Your friendship.
Vice President le USA fans te zong chunga kalom takzeta min mangai na le real ru taka min kom chin na te chuan fui na min pek chin na te hi atan chuan ngai tu phak bakin ka hlok puya katan hian kalom takzet ati.
All our friends and family that are here watching from all around the world. Thank you for loving us. Thank you for praying for us and for
Vaina hian he program local tu zong tele mun sang amin lo thir tu te kanchung ko tan min tong tai sak tu te in zawai chunga kalom tak zete
believing in what Charlie believed in. And to our Turning Point USA staff and the Charlie Kirk Show staff, we love you more than you could ever know.
Imi puite zong chunga inrin ai bakin inrin ai ma isang zokin kan mangai cheua he Turning Point hi atangin kan mangai cheu ti kan ron thil cheu.
And to the Turning Point USA chapters that are watching all across America right now, you are the heartbeat of this future and of this movement.
He Turning Point akal zel theina turin voina America mi pui zong te hi nun na nar ber inni.
Everything that Charlie built, you guys are the legacy holders of that. You are living proof that his mission did not die with him.
In tilti zong Charlie khakin alotan to thil kha atop thleng bultan tu bul tum tu berle anar ber innia he Charlie khakin athil aloti to hi achingai to lawang ti hi nangman in lan tirani.
It lives through you.
Nangmani wangilani.
Charlie always said the next generation will decide whether freedom endures. And because of you, I know that freedom will endure.
Charlie khak chon tu na tanga next generation mi lo om to hian engtin nge ke an pen ti asirin freedom hi kan nei theidon lo ti hi ashilang chu faina hian ashil ti hi achianga nangmani wangin he freedom kan nei na hi endure kal zerang.
And today we're gathered not only to celebrate Charlie's birthday, but to honor a truth that he gave his entire life to defend, and that's freedom.
Vaina hian Charlie khak birthday hi kan mang mai ni lovin he kan ram hian zalen na dik tak hi anei to a chu kan shiat na po ani.
The very existence of the Presidential Medal of Freedom reminds us that The national interest of the United States has always been freedom. Our founders etched it into the preamble of our Constitution, and those words are not relics on parchment. They are a living covenant.
he zalen na freedom kan nei hi kan roi tu ten an zia ka set reng na na anda mai ni lovin voina kan set tur chu chin che tlak le thu thiam na nget taka min pek freedom kan nei na he ni.
The blessings of liberty are not man's invention, they are God's endowment.
Mi ringin zalen na kan nei hi mi ringin kan siam ni lawa pathianin ama nge ina thu pui taka lo
Charlie
allow
lived for
siam
those
ani
blessings,
kan
not
tan min
as
siam sakani
abstract words, but as sacred promises. He used to love to journal about this topic all the time, and
chu zalen na
such,
tan chon Charlie
heart
kha alo
posture
nung thi na ni
gratitude. And he believed that liberty was both a right and a responsibility.
chuan zalen na kan ti hi kan right le keima ni ti tur po ani tho ani kan responsible mo kan ti tur
And he
le
used
kan
to
right
say,
ani
freedom is the ability to do what is right without fear.
chuan freedom kan ti hi chu eng ma hlo na nei lova wai sen taka kan ti ngam na kha freedom ani
And that's how he lived.
chumi ta na
He
nung
was free from fear,
hlo na tangena
free
free
from compromise, free from anything that could enslave his soul.
a tharau ti boy thei tu tur a tharau ti noi hung thei tu tur atangin eng ma hlo na nei lawa mi zale na ni
His name Charles literally means free man.
a ming dik tak hi free man ti na
Exactly
ni
who my husband was. He was a free man.
kapasal
And
ka
from the time
free
I
man
met
ani
him, sitting across from him, being interviewed on politics and philosophy and theology, anything that Charlie loved, any topic he loved. And I just saw the fire in his soul, and there was this divine restlessness within him that came from knowing God placed him on this earth to protect something very, very
kan in mutan tira khan adu zong thu ka kan soi fo thina thil chi rang rang pathian thu te khovel lamte ret zawna chi rang rang kan soi hau thina ni ma se chu kan in biak na tanga ama ka mu chu a tharau zalen na hi chiang takin pathian hena tanga rokal zalen na anei mo a tharau chandam na anei hi chiang takin ama hena lang thina chu ama hi miro pui ani na ni asoi om zia chu Charlie Kirk ne na kan in muwa thil che rang rang kan in kom na tang hian ani hi chu pathian ina a tharau chandam na alo pek kha ama hian a chiang em ani ati
sacred for all of us, and he never stopped fighting for people to experience freedom. He didn't.
ato a sing nu na to thangin zelen na freedom kan nei na hi isoi chu kang u ti hi asoi thina ni hei hi Charlie Kirkin freedom hi war taka asoi puichin na hi USA a hian mani zelen na freedom soi chu ngam lo school naw pang hitam takano mani Christian ni po engma soi ngam chuang lo Christian lo ni po in soi ngam lo an ngai dan soi ngam lo wa zirtir tu tenina zirtir tu ten mo chuan mun thang thang en mo an mani pressure pe tu hi an tam em ani chu Charlie Kirk hian adu lo free kan ngai dan le kan rin na hi chu chiang takin hoisen takin kan soi chu ngam turani ti hi alo kalpui thina chu mi tam takten an lo soi chu ngam lo kha Charlie Kirk atangin an soi chu ngam le thina chu an lom em nan ani
And said that without God, freedom becomes chaos.
chuan kan zalen na po hi pathian ne na ni lo chuan min
And I remember in one
kan zalen na has freedom kan nei na hi pathian ne na tanga lo kan ni lo chuan mani in hriat thiam lo na ni tho ati
of his speeches, he told the audience that the opposite of liberty isn't law. He said it's captivity.
zalen na kan nei na he freedom kan nei na in hriat kan hriat lo na hi mo sal a min siam tu ani ti
in the world are those whose hearts belong to Christ. But what's so powerful is that Charlie had the ability to communicate so brilliantly across all generations. And he reminded
Charlie in eng ang mishing po ni se ama hian ma chon thei tura chakna nei hi mero pui tak ani
us that in a world that tells us freedom is doing whatever you want to do, the real freedom is the power to live freely and to do what is right.
chan freedom kan nei na hi a soi chu zalen taka kan om the na hi ma du zong ti na ni lawin adik ti kan hriat atana nun ti ngam na kha ani zo kan yeti o hey lo sai ve tan to a du tok riang nakina kan non chun som leng o